In this video lesson, we're going to create a new Spring Boot project, which is going to be our Eureka Discovery server. I could open a new browser window and I could create a new project using Start Spring.io website, which is Spring Initializer tool. But this time I want to show you how to create a new Spring Boot project using Spring Tool Suite development environment, which I have opened on my screen right now. So to create a new project, I will go to File and then choose New and choose Spring Starter Project. Here I'll need to provide project details and I will give my project a name, Discovery Server. I will then provide group ID, which is going to be in the form of a package name, and in my case I started using com apps developer blog.estore, so I will use the same value here. But again, it does not need to be exactly this value. In the case of your project, you will most likely come up with a different package name that will describe your domain name and your project. But to be consistent with the package name that I have created in the previous microservice, I will use the same value here. All right. So next I will provide artifact, and artifact is usually just the same as the project name. So I will leave it as is. Version I will leave as is. Description I will also not change. And the package name I will change. For this project, the package name will be same as group name, com apps developer blog.estore, plus the project name, which is in my case is Discovery Server. All right, and now I will click on Next to continue. And here we'll need to provide dependencies. And to make this project work as Eureka Discovery Server, I will need to add Eureka dependency. So I will filter the list of dependencies by Eureka. And here we have two dependencies to select from: Eureka Discovery Client and Eureka Server. Eureka Client will help us make this project work as Eureka Client, and the Eureka Server dependency will make this project work as Eureka Server. Because we can start multiple Eureka Server instances, we can make Eureka servers register with each other and discover each other. And this is why each Eureka server can also be a client. So it can be both a client and the server at the same time. Now, I'm not going to use multiple Eureka servers in this video course, and I will not be configuring Eureka server to register as a client with another Eureka server. So this is why I will not add Eureka client dependency, and I will simply select one dependency, which is Eureka server. This project that I'm creating right now will work as a single standalone Eureka Discovery Server. All right. So I've added Eureka Discovery Server dependency, and now I will simply go on and continue. And there is nothing to change here, so I'll simply click on Finish. And my new Spring Boot project is created, Discovery Server. I can expand it and have a look at the POM XML file that was created for me. Here I have project details and the dependency, Eureka Discovery Server dependency, that I have included in my POM XML.